Yeah, welcome to UC Mathematics and the new video to the MIT Integration Bee 2021. This integral is from the final round. If you want to try this by yourself, I think it's quite obvious because we have an x in the base and an x in the exponent. I guess it's very natural to try this formula. So the derivative of a function of x to the power of another function of x looks like this. I will not read it. How can we achieve this? Of course, you can try to manipulate the expression to get this form, or this is the second way we do. We guess a solution and then we differentiate, and hopefully everything goes well. And I would say, because here and here, this is the only part where the x is in the base and in the exponent, I would say a very good guess is this part. So let's differentiate this and see what we get. Alright, so x to the e to the x prime. So we look at the formula, so this becomes x to the e to the x, and then g prime, g is the exponent, so g is e to the x, so g prime is e to the x times the natural log of x, so natural log of x, plus g is e to the x, and then f prime over f, and f is x, so f prime is 1 over x. Alright, and the next step, so we factor out an e to the x, and let's see what we get. This is x to the e to the x, e to the x, and what is left is ln x plus 1 over x. So this looks quite similar. Alright, so maybe here. So these two looks quite similar, and yeah, so it makes sense maybe to factor out a 1 over x. Let's see. If we factor out 1 over x, we get x log x plus 1. Alright? So we see this part is exactly this part. The blue part here is there. And now x to the e to the x over 1 over x. Now we can work with the power rule. This is x to the e to the x minus 1, e to the x, and then x log x plus 1. And we take a close look. These two expressions are the same, and therefore our guess was right. And of course some plus some constant. Yeah. This integral, it looks more horrible than it is. And yeah, if you know about how to differentiate a function of x to a power of a function of x, then the guess, I would say, is quite obvious. And yeah, then we differentiate and see that everything works out. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.